Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Warlock Cipher with another video. This is my own seminar. This is my own seminar video about rendering techniques. First, let me tell you what are all the rendering techniques that we use for creating and getting a perfect output in three-dimensional picture or three-dimensional image, whatever it may be. So first, let me tell you what is rendering means. Rendering is the process of generating an image file from a model by means of computer programs. A scene file can
Scanline rendering is one line or row in a raster scanning pattern, such as a line of video on the cathode ray tube, court, display of a television set or computer monitor. Example. On older court screens, the horizontal scan lines were visually discernible, even when viewed from a distance, as alternating colored lines and black lines. This is sometimes used today as a visual effect in computer graphics. Ray tracing, or radiosity-ray tracing in physics, ray tracing is a method for calculating the path of waves and reflecting surfaces. Rendering may take from fractions of a second to days for a single image/frame. In general, different methods are better suited for either photorealistic rendering VRML is virtual reality modeling language, or real-time rendering. OpenGL, Open Graphics Library, is a standard specification defining a cross-language, cross-platform API for writing applications that produce 2D and 3D computer graphics. Real-time. The interface consists of over 250 different function calls which can be used to draw complex three-dimensional scenes. In the case of 3D graphics, rendering may be done slowly, as in pre-rendering, or in real time. Pre-rendering is a computationally intensive process that is typically used for movie creation, while real-time rendering is often done for 3D video games which rely on the use of graphics cards with 3D hardware accelerators. Rendering for interactive media, such as games and simulations, is calculated and displayed in real time, at rates of approximately 20 to 120 frames per second. Non-real time. Animations for non-interactive media, such as feature films and video, are rendered much more slowly. Non-real-time rendering enables the leveraging of limited processing power in order to obtain high image quality. Rendering times for individual frames may vary from a few seconds to several days for complex scenes. Rendered frames are stored on a hard disk, then can be transferred to other media, such as motion picture film or optical disc. These frames are then displayed sequentially at high frame rates, typically 24, 25, or 30 frames per second, to achieve the illusion of movement. commercial package which I use for creating those third elements. 3ds Max, Autodesk, originally called 3D Studio Max, Blender is a free and open source Cinema 4D Max, and Maya, Autodesk, is currently used in the film. Rhinoceros 3D is a commercial modeling tool. Maxwell Render is a software package that aids in the production of photorealistic images from computer 3D model data, a 3D renderer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.